Hello everyone and welcome back to another video where I simplify SAP concepts for you. I'm making this impromptu video as I've been receiving a lot of requests from our community members about the basic differences between profit centers and cost centers. So I thought let's do a video on this so that it can help our community members in future as well. I'll try to keep this video as simple as possible so that even layman can understand it. Before we start, let me share with you a story on why I like this topic so much. When I started my SAP career, my first AMS project was with a German client. It was a manufacturing company of industrial products. We used to have a lot of meetings every day and most of the discussions used to revolve around profit centers and cost centers. As I was an SD consultant, new in the industry, I did not have deep understanding about these topics, but I wanted to gain more knowledge on these. So I started reading blogs, websites and connecting with my colleagues. And after some time, I eventually gained a lot of knowledge on these, which in turn enabled me to help my team to make SAP processes more efficient. So without further delay, let's get started. So what are cost centers? Cost centers are nothing but an element in SAP to control and track costs of various units in the organization. In cost centers, it is very clear that only cost will be captured with no associated revenue, unlike profit centers, which we will discuss later in the video. Let's take an example of an organization which uses SAP and wants to purchase furniture for its IT department. As soon as the purchase would be done, the cost would be tagged to the IT department's cost center with no associated revenue because this furniture is not going to generate revenue for the organization. So in short, the purpose of cost center is to control and track all of the costs associated with the unit. Now coming to profit centers. So what are profit centers? Profit centers are used to track profit and losses for a business segment for an organization. In the hierarchy, cost center comes below profit centers, so you can track both cost and revenue in profit centers. Let's take an example. Imagine that your organization has a separate unit for software solutions. This can be identified as a specific profit center. In this, you can track revenue from sales as well as costs such as operational cost, marketing cost, salaries, etc. This provides clear picture of the unit and helps identify whether the unit is running into profit or losses. For profit-making units, efforts can be realigned to increase their sales and revenues, and corrective actions can be taken for loss-making units. In conclusion, both profit centers and cost centers play a very crucial role in SAP ecosystem, and they are also very tightly integrated with other modules as well. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you're interested in more topics like these, have a look at my ebooks which cover 70 topics like these. They're not specific to any module but covers SAP topics in general. People who have read them told me that it has been of great help for them preparing for an interview. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video.